Hello everyone. Today we are going to start a beautiful and interesting short story by the Indian novelist and short story writer Ruskin Bond. The story is about Tutu, a monkey. Tutu is a mischievous monkey. She always makes problems for his honor. She always makes problem for her honor. However, the story is very amusing. Ruskin Bond is famous for his novels and short stories. He received the Sahitya Academy Award in 1992 for his novel Our Still Grows in Dehra. The story begins with the narrator's grandfather buying a monkey. The monkey is mischievous. Grandfather has many unusual pets in the house. The grandma first reacts against it, but as Tutu is a girl, all is fine. Tutu has bright eyes, white teeth, and deep set eyebrows. However, the amusement starts when she steals a necklace from the jewelry shop. Aunt Ruby is going to get married. The family visit the shop to buy ring. The uninvited Tutu suddenly comes and enters into the shop. She wears a necklace and starts running away. This is an amazing scene. All start chasing the monkey. However, the necklace is recovered when Tutu drops it into a canal. An interesting thing happens when Tutu mixes extra spices into a cake. She adds more herbs, chilies, eggshells, and many other things. This makes people health bad. However, some of the guests do not appear there for several days after the wedding. However, the story Monkey Trouble is a children's book. Tutu represents the species of monkey. So Tutu is the central character here. She is a mischievous monkey. The author Ruskin Bond depicts her appearance and her activities. Her stealing of a necklace from the shop and her creating the comedy scene are very interesting. Tutu's main victims are Aunt Ruby and her fiancé Rocky, and to some extent Grandma and Uncle Benji. Once Ruby and her fiancé go to buy a ring for their marriage and then soon the boy, young Ruskin, follows them secretly and behind him comes this cheesy monkey. In the jewelry shop, this monkey creates commotion and runs away with the pearl necklace. After then, almost half city chases her, and in the end, it throws away the necklace into a stream. Somehow, the jeweler gets hold over that precious piece of jewelry. Next, the monkey creates trouble at the wedding ceremony and runs away with the top pillar of the wedding cake. People run after her, but to no avail. The title, The Adventure of Toto, indicates directly at the central theme as well as at the protagonist. The story is about Toto, the pet baby monkey, and his numerous adventures. Of course, the title does not clarify who or what is. Of course, the title does not clarify who or what is Toto, but it does rouse the curiosity of the reader, which is one of the characteristics of a good title. In short, the title is suitable for this story.